The fastest way for you to be confused about your own life, the fastest way for you to give up, the fastest way for you to remove your mind from that thing you love doing is not allowing the presence of God in your life, because He's the only one who transforms us. Why am I sharing this message today? Because I realized something. In Acts of the Apostles, chapter 6, verse 8 down to 15, when Stephen was accused, they lied against him, they said a lot of things that he did not do. But the final judgment, the people who were meant to judge him saw his face like an angel. The presence of God in his life. Just like how Moses came down from the mountains and his face looks like an angel. Because the presence of God in your life, when you start accepting it, that confidence to go about your daily activities, that confidence that will radiate you, sorry to say, will not allow you to give up, will not allow you to forget the promises of God in your life. And that is what I'm trying to tell you on this video, that God's promises never fail, and His presence in our life, because He has a mandate for we all. And God in heaven does not let His children down. If you watch this video to this length, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Welcome to the community.